Today we are going to discuss some amazing facts that will completely blow your mind. Now let's start. Number 1. The most difficult emotion to fake are sadness and anger. All of these emotions are completely visible when fake, so make sure you do never fake that up. Now, moving on to the fact number 2. Men are attracted to women with clear skin, bright big eyes, rosy lips and lustrous hair because they are the indicators of health and an optional partner for reproduction. They are their biological instinct being very active in these case of scenarios. Number 3. Bigger the challenge, stronger the drive. It is a proven fact when you are faced the bigger challenge, your drive to do something better becomes more stronger too. Well, it means every challenge lies opportunity. Without competition, without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. Without trust, there is no reason to continue. This is a simple relationship fact, but it can save you a lot of useless relationships. Money attracts the female you want, while struggle attracts the female you need. Your partner in struggle and your partner in success will define your partner for life. Moving on to the next fact, we have a recent study has shown that women need at least 30 minutes more sleep than men. That is because women have more complex brain, thus the ability to multitask. Well, what do you think about it? Do you think it is true? If yes, then write it down in the comments. Don't let your loneliness make you reconnect with toxic people. You should not drink poison because you are thirsty. Cool enough, make sure you have 1 or 2 people that can easily trust you. Otherwise, just spend time with yourself. People make mistake of choosing the wrong person first, and when the right person arrives, they just stop trusting people. So it happens a lot of time when you choose one wrong person and then that person gives you some really bad betrayal and then you stop trusting anyone else. No third person can enter or destroy a relationship until the two hearts are strong enough to not give up on each other. So make sure you trust your partner and have a little faith in them. Alright, now moving on to the next fact. Everybody says mistake is the first step to success, but the real fact is the correction of first step to success. Because if you can't correct your mistake, you will do it again and again, then you will never achieve success like this. Moving on to the next fact, we have don't be afraid of losing people. Be afraid of losing yourself. By trying to please everyone around you, you don't need to do that. You are perfect the way you are. If someone is different for you, accept it. But do not try to change who you are fundamentally. Because if you do so, you will lose your own identity. You will lose yourself. And that is the biggest defeat. Men and women with higher IQ tend to have a harder time in finding a partner because they can't find someone as smart as they want. Moving on to the next fact, we have avoiding certain people to protect your emotional and mental health is not a weakness. It's wisdom by Jim Carrey. You don't need to spend time with everyone and anyone. Just choose few people, few who will help you elevate yourself, few who can help you have fun with, and that's all. A study says that you are more likely to be easily attracted to someone you have no chance with. Does this ever happen to you? If yes, then write it down in the comments. Now, moving on to the next fact, we have a person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. It is a simple quote by Albert Einstein, but it simply recognizes how can we live our life in an adventurous way. Make mistakes, learn from them and grow. That's all this quote says. Moving on to the next fact. Now we have when someone ignores you but still supports you silently, it means you have hurt them but they still love you. If this ever happens with anyone, which means you need to patch up with that person because they care for you even after you hurt them. It is very rare. Moving on to the last fact, we have don't share your weakness with anyone. You never know who is going to use it against you. So make sure you keep your secrets secrets. Well, with this fact, we have concluded our entire video of the glowing facts that we can show you right now. And if you like more facts, you can make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this with others and also comment which fact you like the most. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you get some value.